Ever wondered why the average filter, despite its simplicity and widespread use, might not be the ultimate solution for noise reduction in digital images? Well, it's time to delve into some of its limitations that could potentially affect the quality of your output. The average filter, or mean filter as some may call it, is a simple, intuitive, and easy-to-implement tool used for smoothing images. It works by taking the average of the pixel values in the neighborhood of every pixel in an image, replacing the original pixel value with this average. Sounds simple, right? But this simplicity can sometimes be a double-edged sword. One of the most glaring limitations of the average filter is its inability to preserve edges. Edges in an image represent boundaries between different objects or regions, and they are vital for the perception of the image structure. When the average filter is applied, it blurs these edges, leading to a loss of critical information. This limitation stems from the filter's lack of sensitivity to the direction of the edges in the image, averaging pixel values in all directions equally. Another drawback of the average filter is its susceptibility to outliers. Outliers or noise are extreme pixel values that do not represent the true underlying information in the image. When you take an average, these outliers can significantly skew the result, leading to a distorted image. The average filter doesn't discriminate between noise and actual image content, treating all pixels equally. Additionally, the average filter operates on a fixed window size, which can be a limitation when dealing with images that have varying levels of detail. If the window size is too small, the filter may not effectively smooth out the noise. Conversely, if the window size is too large, the filter may remove too much detail, leading to an overly blurred image. Finally, the average filter is not adaptive. It applies the same operation to all pixels, irrespective of their surrounding environment. This lack of adaptability means that the filter cannot adjust its behavior based on the local characteristics of the image, which could result in suboptimal performance in certain regions. So, in a nutshell, while the average filter is an invaluable tool in the realm of image processing, it does have its limitations. It blurs edges, is sensitive to outliers, operates on a fixed window size, and lacks adaptability. Understanding these limitations can help you make an informed decision about when to use the average filter and when to explore other, more sophisticated filtering techniques. After all, every tool has its place, and the trick lies in knowing when and where to use it. So next time you're dealing with image noise, remember that the average filter might not always be your best bet.